Alright, so here we have Woodville Road, which is nearby Waldorf, Maryland, far north of the northern area of Hughesville, and figured that we do a crossing overview. First cantilever is from Harmon. Like there's the Harmon logo right there. And there was a school bus. And you've got the emergency information, which as you can see, dot number is 5302-621H, milepost QJ833. And the mast lights on this cantilever are Harmon 12 by 24-inch lights. And my shoes are becoming untied. Hang on, give me a minute. It's got time my shoes for a sec. Okay, I'm ready. But anyway, yeah. Mast lights, Harmon 12 by 24-inch lights. There's a look at the Harmon logo. And they're being held by Harmon brackets. And the side lights on this cantilever are some more Harmon 12 by 24-inch lights. Here's a look at the back of one of them. And oh, there's a pickup truck coming by, but the brackets holding the side lights are probably made by Harmon. But the overhead lights are some more Harmon 12 by 24-inch lights, in which there's a look back one of them. Brackets are most likely from Harmon. I'll get to side brackets later on. The gate mast signal has a Safetran base. Gate mechanism is made by Safetran. And the lights on this gate mast signal are Safetran 12 by 24-inch lights. Here's a look at the Safetran logo. But here's that one, because that's brighter. Well, it's in the sun, I should say. They're being held by Safetran brackets. And on the gate, we have Rico gate lights. Not too sure if they're incandescent or not, because I don't have the right sun path. If we go right over here, yeah, they're probably LED. And by the way, the brackets just had to let that truck turning right pass by. But yeah, more Harmon brackets. And those brackets up there are probably made by Harmon as well. Now I have to cross the tracks, but here's a great overview. It's got the rubber slants that go in between the rails. I gotta get across before a Jeep comes and smother me. Anyway, the second cantilever is also made by Harmon. And you've got the emergency information, as well as the lights, which are some more Harmon 12 by 24-inch lights. Here's a look at the back of one of them. And the brackets, if we go right over here, are made by Harmon. And the side lights on this cantilever are some more Harmon 12 by 24-inch lights. Here's a look at the back of one of them. Most likely held by Harmon brackets. And the overhead lights are some more Harmon 12 by 24-inch lights. Which, I don't know if you can see, but there's the back of one of them. Those are most likely Harmon brackets as well. And the gate mast signal has a Safetran base, gate mechanisms from Safetran, and the lights are Safetran 12 by 24 inch lights. There's a look at one of them. Safetran bracket, as well as more Rico gate lights. And following the sun on where the sun's deflecting on the gate lights, they're probably incandescent Rico gate lights. And by the way, the bell on this gate mast signal is an NEG electronic bell. Just to point out, that replaced a general signals type 1 electronic bell. So, once again, great overview, like so, and it does have the rubber slants in between the rails. And this is on the CSX Herbert Subdivision. The track views, this is looking south towards the Chalk Point Generation Station, and this down there is looking north towards Brandywine, and right behind that bush is the relay case. I don't know if you can see it because it's hiding behind a bush, but there it is. Kamikaze truck. I'll wait for this car to pass by. Now I gotta get my ass across. Run, run, Andrew, run. Don't get smothered by oncoming traffic. Anyway, I guess there you have an overview of Woodville Road, the grade crossing, which is nearby Waldorf, north of Hughesville. Now I'm hoping for a train to come through here, just like on what I tried to get when attempting to visit Charles Street in La Plata, which is the Popes Creek sub. But thanks for watching.